under counter unit that is what we call a UH300. This is an M4 series, so it's a 4th generation unit. What's unique and really cool about it is that it's a cold water feed. It's filled by a rinse pump that will automatically fill it. And right now, if that water level was to go too high, the rinse pump will drain because it has a diverter in it. So what'll happen is that'll just pick it up, the water, and dump it right out on the floor level. There's not enough water in there yet to force it to drain. And you can see the floor drain right there, and there's no water coming out of it because the water level, you can kind of hear it. You see how the recirculation pump is running, but it's not dumping any water because it doesn't have too much water in it yet. But it will soon enough. After about 4 or 5 cycles, it's normal to start seeing some water come out the drain because it sees too much water in it, and it'll bring that level down. It's designed to do that. First of all, the M4s are designed to not drain at all under any circumstances until you power it off. Once it's powered off, it has an automatic drain cycle, and so that rinse pump that we're talking about that typically fills, there's an internal diverter that flips so that when that pump, the very same pump, kicks in, it will drain the machine out. Because it's designed not to drain, it'll keep rinsing and filling until it does get too much water, then it will jump. Now, you can see our temperatures were good. Now I'm getting ready to power it down. Now we're gonna turn the switch off, cuts the power, and now the system is gonna say, okay, I'm gonna drain. And you can see it draining. And this is the same rinse pump that fills the machine. It's just going through a diverter valve. So instead of filling back into the tank, it's allowing it to drain out. And it will continue. You can see how it's cavitating right now. You can actually kind of hear the cavitation where it's completely drained. The cycle is not ready yet, so it's still doing its thing. That blinking green light tells you I'm still draining. And from the cavitation that's occurring, you can kind of hear it starting and stopping, because that cavitation is tricking the system into seeing more water than is really there. Once that is completely drained, the cavitation will stop. And so that's how this one works. It's pretty straightforward.